Something big just happened. I'm fired up today. Yeah! Triple dose of coffee. Okay, so we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and we're going to take a look at Ethereum because I found this critical point, this line. If either of these two butt nuts fall below this line, we're going to get very good discounts. And that's when I'm going to load the boat. Now, if it doesn't fall below this line and it continues to trend up, there's a new line that we're going to find of where we should add. Woo! All right. The coffee's hitting hard today. I think I put a little too much in there. So, big news just dropped that's pushing Bitcoin and Ethereum through the roof. If you want to know exactly when I do buy Ethereum, Bitcoin, or stocks, because I do both, click the link in the description. You'll get a bing right to your phone. When I buy, sell, reduce, add, or go all in on any of these stocks, it's called Stock Alerts. It also includes my Discord group where you can chat with me in a group chat. So that's it. All right, now we're going to dig into Bitcoin and Ethereum. But first, let's look at this article that's changing the game. It's changing cryptocurrency. Okay, here's the news. Visa will allow the use of a dollar-backed cryptocurrency to settle payment transactions on its network. This just happened today. This is big news. Visa is getting involved in the crypto space. Whoa! This is looking very good. We already got Papa Musk that now accepts Bitcoin. Look at their website. You can now hit the Bitcoin button if you want to buy a Model 3 with your money, with your coins. Now, Visa's getting involved in this. This is massive news, and this is going to keep happening. I said this on my last crypto video. More and more companies are going to accept these coins, and people are going to continue to keep rolling in from the stock market because stocks are looking ugly. They're looking very red. Big institutions are selling, and people are moving to crypto. But not all stocks are looking bad. They'll bounce back. So I'm doing stocks and I'm doing crypto. I'm doing both. And if stocks continue to sell, I'm pushing a little more to crypto. If crypto starts selling, I'm going to push a little more back to stock market. This is where your money should be. It shouldn't just be sitting in a savings account that's getting you 0.02% interest per year. That's dumb. You're actually losing money. All right, moving into the chart. Ethereum. Look at this white line. This white line is critical because Ethereum fell below it. And when that happened, whoop, it dropped down, whoop, hit back up, hit that line, and whoop, right back down. Now, because this happened, it did the lightning bolt Z formation, the Zorro. When it did the Zorro, Harry Potter got angry. He shot some lightning bolts, made a little potion, shot right back up, tested again. Harry Potter fell to death. Again, right there, boop, splattered. But look, he got woken back up by the little redhead dude and shot through the white line. You know what I just drew there? I drew an inverted head and shoulders. If you don't know what that is, what are you doing? Shoulder, shoulder, head. When we get inverted head and shoulders, whoop, it's going to go whoof, but inverted. So, whoof, straight up, whoop, up here. Oh, look at Ethereum. It's running. 1785. Oh, something might just happen. Maybe MasterCard just jumped on. Look at this thing go. 1788. What's happening? I got to pause the video. I got to buy more. Okay, I'm back. 1789, 88. This thing is booming. All right, so let me undo all this. I'm getting a little excited. This coffee is hitting hard. Something happened. So 1800 is our next target. Now, this is what I was saying about this critical line. This is the critical line. This white line runs all the way across because here, 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 here. All these points it's bouncing on. Bing, 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 bing. You draw a line. Simple. Support, resistance. Simple. Now, this thing is really on a tear. Okay, now where is it going to turn around? Resistance. Bing! Right there. 1875. It's probably going to hit this week. Now, in between these two lines, there's actually another thin line, a little cracker in between the Oreo. It's actually right there. 1800. So this is where we're going to get a little resistance. It's probably going to chop around here. Might pull back a little bit, bounce around for a couple days, and eventually blast through that and test that 1875 this week, or maybe next week. I'll be a little more flexible on that. That's a very aggressive price target to say a week out. So I'd say maybe a week or two. 1875. Visa's on board. Visa's on board. It's looking good. Now looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is blowing the top off. 58,000 is our resistance. Let's draw a line here. Whoop! Right there. 58,062, right around there. So it's hitting some resistance. This is pretty much moving with Ethereum. It's moving with the crypto markets. Head and shoulders inverted as well. It did its nice run. Listen, these are good runs. Where's my measuring tape? That's a 6% run. Pretty good for the way that Bitcoin is moving now. Lingering around 55,000s. So this thing can actually continue to blast off with its head and shoulders. 62 because we got this little mountaintop peak over here. So it could run to 62,000 when Ethereum does its breakout. So those are the two nice price targets for these guys. And we have our resistance and support. Listen, you don't just buy because you see it moving. You got to look at the chart. That's what I do all day. I'll pretty much work until I have two bloodshot eyes, and then I need to close and put ice packs on and then go to sleep. So I need to know that I'm getting the best price, and I also dollar cost average. Don't just throw all your money at this thing and then just stare at it. Oh no, it's going down. Of course it's going down. Stocks and crypto fluctuate. It's starting to pull back, which is normal, because what happens is when these movements happen, people are buying them here. They're like, oh my God, it's running. It's going to keep going. I'm going to be rich. No, it did its move. That's people down here got rewarded. It ran up. That's where you get rewarded. And then you sell up here because we know where resistance is. So what you got to do is know where these supports and these resistance are. And then you know when to buy, when to sell. If you're day trade, swing trader, if you're long, you just buy. Some more news actually broke just a few hours ago from the article that I'm reading. Look at this. The first ever green Bitcoin is about to be minted. What is this? Is this new mining pool the answer to Bitcoin's environmental issues? Listen, we know that people are mining like crazy, burning out their sockets, shutting down the buildings because there's spark and they're using too much energy with 19 video cards and a little computer. This is the problem. This is what the opposing side, the bearish side says, or the stock market or people cash, governments, whatever. They're saying, listen, these Bitcoin people that are mining, little 12-year-olds with goggles mining, they don't realize that they're polluting the earth. They're mining, making money, not realizing that they're using too much energy. And we can't have that. The dollar, don't use no energy, just cut some paper. But look at this article. So look at this. Argo and DMG are launching a new Bitcoin mining pool that operates exclusively on renewable energy. What is that about? That's going to solve all the problems. What else are they going to hate on? Anytime the opposing side comes up with an argument, they're finding solutions. Okay? This is great. So a lot of big, interesting things happen in the crypto space. Also in the stock market space, stocks are looking horrendous, but typically that means discounts. That's how I look at it. That's how I'll keep looking at it because listen, if these companies disappear, then what are we left with? Just some digital coins? So that's it. I'll be watching, like I said, these inverse head and shoulders. Look at this. Actually, jump back into the screen. Look at this. Look at this. Remember I drew my head and shoulders over here for Bitcoin? Okay, and I said it's going to run up. Look at this. Shoulder, shoulder, head. A little bone sticking out there, but we don't got to worry about that. And look at this run up. Whoop. What's this going to do? Might even do 68.70. So if you want to know when I buy or sell crypto or stocks, check out that link in the description. Stock alerts. You can learn more about what that is. And also, if you want to get a better savings account, I use BlockFi. I got some money in BlockFi. That link is in the description as well. If you click that, I'll get a little bonus. You'll get a little bonus. I think it's like a little Bitcoin, $10 or something in Bitcoin. And you'll get 8.6% interest if you just use the stable coin. It's free money. What are you doing? Don't let your money just sit around. Look at this. This 100. What am I doing? It's just been sitting in here for like a week because I sold a bike because I want to buy more stocks. But I can't do nothing with this. If this was digital, I could be buying. But I can't buy anything with this right now. I got to put it into a bank. I don't want to go to a bank. What am I, 92? That's stupid. Hit the subscribe here if you're new to the channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, by hitting that button, it's doing magical things. Like getting you a little bit closer to retiring young.